So what are your names?
Gabby and Piggy.
Oh, really? And what are some things you like to do?
Play.
Both of you like to play.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, which one of you is older?
Me.
Who? Which one?
Me.
The piggy is older?
Yeah.
Oh. How old are you, Mr. Bear?
5.
Oh, and how old are you, Mr. Piggy?
6.
Oh, you're just a little piggy too. Do you go to school?
Yeah.
You do. Where do you go to school? Oh, who's your friend with you there?
D.
Who's the friend in the middle?
You.
The little girl. Who is she?
Judy.
Can you guys give her a kiss? Give her a kiss.
No.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, that's nice of you, Mr. Piggy. Good job, Sophie. The